Welcome to Mr. Rossington Crossing. Another crossing in Dongney. Can't really look over on this one. He even said at this crossing you can get passenger and freight. Just to let you know, you can get passenger and freight. That bird was scared by something. Pretty sure it sounds like a freight train is coming right now. I don't know why. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. The ground shakes. The ground literally shakes when the train goes past. Or for how fast that goes. Guys, you should have felt this crossing. It's double because of how many trains come here a day. Hey, that was so fast. It's unbelievable how many trains come here a day. I wonder what happens to the cars when it sees it do it. The ground literally shook when it went past. Mum. Yeah. That's how fast the trains are here. Went boom. It went as fast as it can be. Oh no. Welcome to the Steel Express. Where's the next train then? Like, where could it be? It's up a steel track. It was so shaky. Where could this other train be then? Oh, there it is. I know you get our trains here, I think. if I remember. Go up. Is it triple? Should I press?